Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to view active sessions on the X app. Monitoring your active sessions is a smart way to keep your account secure by seeing all the devices and locations where your account is currently logged in. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you are on the home screen. Next, tap your profile icon, usually found at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings area where you can manage your account details and security preferences. Scroll down or look through the menu to find and tap on Security and Account Access. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe and controlling who or what can access it. Within Security and Account Access, tap on Apps and Sessions. Here you'll see options related to applications connected to your account and all the active sessions across devices. For security reasons, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This extra step ensures that only you can access this sensitive information. After entering your password, tap on Sessions. This is where you'll find a detailed list of all active sessions on your account. You can see the devices currently logged in, along with their locations and the times they were accessed. This visual helps you confirm if all sessions are legitimate. If you notice any sessions that look suspicious or unfamiliar, you can take immediate action by logging out from those sessions to protect your account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to check your active sessions on the X app, keeping your account safer and under your control. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye on your account activity regularly.